Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. It's Jay from J&D's Retirement Journey. Today we're going to dig into Hersey Company, symbol HSC, and Procter & Gamble, symbol PG. I'm trying to figure out what am I going to buy next. Let me know your thoughts on these companies and if you hold any. And please hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers by the end of the year. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and that bell notification. Let's take a quick look at the Hersey Company. It closed at 182.75 on 12/22/2023. The 52-week range was 178 to 276. So it had a really bad year. Maybe it's time to buy, guys, as everyone's running for the exits. The 5-year chart was pretty good. It was up 70, almost 72%, $76. The year-to-date chart, as we spoke a second ago, it was pretty bad, down 22%, down $51 a share. The analysts are saying Morningstar has a 4-star rating and the economic moat is wide. Refinitiv has a 212 price target. S&P Global has a price target of 197 and a hold rating. Argus has a price target of 240 and a buy rating. Argus is always like 40 or 50 points more. Don't ask me why, but that's the way it is when they do their recommendations. As we shoot over to the share profile, market cap 37 billion, shares outstanding 204 million. Big chunk of the company is held by institutions, 81%. That's a good sign. The number of shares short, the short ratio is 1.71. The previous month, they had over 2 million shares short, so it's getting less. So I guess the big guys are believing that it's getting closer to fair value. The price of cocoa and sugar is going up. So I'm going to hold off about 3 months before I jump in, but I really do love this company, but I think it may go down a little bit more, but that's my opinion. Let's look at the dividends. That's my favorite subject. You know, I love my dividends. I'm a dividend investor. Previous dividend paid was $1.19 on December 15th. So we missed that one, guys. So if you buy, we're going to have to wait till next quarter. And the annual dividend rate is $4.77 for the year, and 2.61 is the yield. Upcoming earnings are due 2/1/2024, and that's for the fourth quarter of 2023. They're looking for, the estimate is $1.97. The last 4 quarters they have beaten Hersey, so they haven't been doing too bad when it comes to the estimates, but the stock's been killed. The revenue, 11.16. PE is 19, the forward PE, so not that bad. Price to earnings growth, 2.62. Procter & Gamble, symbol PG, closed at 145.10 on 12/22/2023. The 52-week range was 135 to about 158. The 5-year chart looks pretty good. They're up 59%, $54. Year to date, they are down about 5%, $7.31. The analysts are saying Morningstar has a 2-star and a wide economic moat on it. Refinitiv has an outperform and a rating of a 165. S&P Global has a hold and a rating and a 12-month target of 157. Argus has a buy and a target of 175. The market cap is 342 billion, shares outstanding 2.36 billion. and 64% of the companies held by institutions, which is good. The short interest ratio 2.14, and a month ago it was 2.05, so it actually went up. Not good, but a tiny bit, small percentage. The dividends 0.94 were paid out in November. The annual yield is 2.59, and the yearly dividend is $3.76. The expected earnings are due 1/23/2024. The estimate is 1.7. They have beaten the last 4 quarters. They haven't done bad last year. They beat the quarters, but the stock hasn't really performed too good. The revenue came in at 83.27. The forward PE is 22.63. I am planning to buy these two companies later next year, probably at the end of the first quarter and beginning of the second. I'm going to start cost averaging in. I always cost average. I don't like buying all in one shot, just in case something happens. I would suggest you guys do your research, talk with your financial planner. I am not a financial planner. Before you invest in any type of security, good luck, and thanks for watching the video.